Hi you lovely people, welcome back. It's great to be out again today to make this video for you guys. I hope everybody's well, and thank you all for being patient with me and sticking by the channel. I've been stuck inside for the last 3 days, I'm not gonna lie. Social anxiety, depression's been eating me alive. So this is the first time in 3 days that I've actually seen daylight, which I'm very pleased about. So I'm out of the house, which is good, and I'm on my way to the woods. Before I head off, there's one person I'd really like to wish all the best to, and that's my mum. Happy birthday, mum. I hope you have a great day. You mean the world to me and I love you so much. You've always been there for me for everything. Whenever I made decisions to join the army, come out of the army, and anything I've ever done in life, you've always had my back 100%. So I hope you have a brilliant day, mum, and we'll catch up soon. Before I set off to the woods and continue with this video, there's one thing I want to do, and it involves making a stop off along the way. So for that, we're gonna have to drop off at my dad's, and I'll catch up with you guys there. It's an extremely windy day today, guys. Has been for the last 3 days, to be fair. I'm not sure if you can hear all this wind, but it's extremely windy, and hopefully the audio on this won't be too bad. I have pushed in a little bit here so you can hear me, and when I get further in the woods it shouldn't be too bad, but just giving you a heads up, this wind is pretty bad. I'm going to be swept off my feet before long, swept off my feet. It's extremely noisy in the woods today. There's like trees creaking and birds jumping from tree to tree trying to settle. The wind's howling through all the treetops. It's really noisy, and there's branches snapping and whatever else. Normally it's quiet and calm inside here, but not today. I had this amazing experience the other night. I came about a week ago to make a video. The video didn't work whatsoever. I just wasn't feeling it, but just before I wrapped up to go back to the car and head home, I was sat on the floor on my own in the dark in the middle of this woods, just listening to the two tawny owls talking from tree to tree. So I recorded that and I'll share that with you guys now as well, and hopefully you'll enjoy that experience that I had. It was amazing. They're talking to each other. This is what camping's all about. Amazing. You'll hear the other one in a minute, hopefully. There we are. The two are talking to each other. I love this. Wow, this is such an experience. Oh man, I'm so excited. I think it's lit. Wow. These are the moments you remember when you're out camping. Just something simple like listening to these two owls. Thank you for my camera and being able to record this right now. Wow, I wonder what they're saying. I'm going to join in for a laugh. I dare do it, I don't want to wreck it. It's amazing to think that this would have been going on tonight, whether I was here or not. If I'd have decided to stay at home tonight and do nothing, these two would have still been doing this. Nature's just like such an amazing thing. Wow. You've got to be very careful in this wood when it's like this. There's a lot of dead standing wood. That's obviously what me and Junior have built this whole base upon, is dead standing trees. None of it is live or was ever live when we started building. And with a windy day like this, these trees can easily just come down and before you know it can land on top of you. And I guess that's why they get the name or the nickname Widowmakers, because that has happened before in the past and obviously taken lives. Me and Junior have been in here not so long ago and we actually heard a massive, great big tree just collapsing straight through the woods, and that was on a relatively calm day as well. So on a day like today, you've got to have your wits about you. So for anyone interested, I've recently started my medication for the OCD and the social anxiety, depression, etc, etc, etc. It's called fluoxetine, and so far so good. I mean, you have some crazy dreams with that medication, and I would say that overall I'm having more better days than I am bad days, and I don't feel crazy at all, so that's a good thing, right? One thing I've learned about YouTube is that the longer you leave it to make a video, the harder it is when you want to get out to make a video. I've learned that. That's like, the longer, if I leave it a week, 2 weeks before I make a video, it's really hard mentally to get motivated to go make another video. Whereas if I come back and I've had a really good day out and got some really good footage, I'm itching to get straight back out again. And I think that persistency and perseverance is everything in anything that you choose to do. I think that applies. If you go to the gym, you're trying to get fit and healthy, it's not always the fittest person that will look the better of the two people. It might be that the guy who's less motivated and less persistent at going to the gym is actually the fitter of the two people, but doesn't get the results he wants because he isn't persistent. It's the same in the workplace. Someone who gets the job that you want might not always be better than you at that role. It's just that you quit and they carried on. And I think the way I've been doing these videos is not the right way to do it. So what I've been doing is editing videos, going out, getting the footage, editing the video, and then posting it as soon as it was all edited. And from what I gather, a lot of YouTubers don't do it that way. So what I'm going to do is go out like today, make a video, get this edited, stick this on my computer, and then go out for my next video, edit that, and do this like 5 or 6 times until I've got a nice little batch of videos waiting to post. And I think that way, when the time comes I maybe can't get out to make a video, I've still got a nice back catalogue of videos waiting to post, and you guys probably won't be able to tell the difference that there's been any gap between videos. So I think that's the way I'm going to do it from now on, and hopefully that should work pretty well.
I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do, need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left.
If anybody wants to donate me a GoPro, I would be like very much appreciated. Like, I've been wanting a GoPro for a while now. I think that would add like a different element to my videos, and I just don't have the funds right now to get a GoPro, obviously with losing my job or being out of work. So if anybody's got a spare one kicking around, or you've got one that you're not using because you've upgraded or whatever, please donate it to me, because no one's going to use a GoPro more than me. It will get a good use. I will get good use out of it, and I'll be forever grateful. I'll give you a shout out in my videos. I'll leave you in the links below. I'll do anything. Just please, if you've got a GoPro that you're not using, or you want to donate a GoPro to me, then yeah, you'll be my friend for life. You can message me on Instagram or in the comments box below, whatever. Eventually I'm going to get around to getting a drone again. I did have one at one point, but obviously if you've watched my previous videos, you saw the disaster that happened there with that. So I will get on to getting that eventually when I'm back in work, or I've saved up enough funds, but right now a GoPro would be perfect.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So here's why you should always read the dimensions whenever buying something off eBay. I wanted a fully fledged, sturdy, professional looking tripod. In fact, I had dreams and envisioned me with this tripod and how cool and how easy life would be with this tripod. Then one day when browsing eBay, I stumbled across what I thought and sounded like the perfect match for me. Here's what I envisioned. Here's what actually turned up. Right, you beautiful people, it's been an absolute pleasure to have brought you out with me today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's brought a few smiles to a few of your faces, and as I always say, whatever it is that you're doing, please look after yourselves. You guys are number one, and if you can, if you're in a position to, help somebody else out as well. As always, hit the thumbs up if you've enjoyed my video. Please drop a comment in the box below. Spread the word about the 401 files, and stay tuned for the next one, guys. Peace!
I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do. Need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me?